express 0.375 in the form of p by q. Okay, that is how to express 0.375 in the fraction form with lowest term or simplified. Okay, so we need, for getting fraction, we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal and write the number you are getting, and for denominator, for every digit after decimal you have to consider 10, 10 for 3 and 10 for 7 and 10 for 5. You have to consider 10 as a multiplication. So we are done. This is the fraction of this decimal. Now we need to take this fraction to lowest term, or we need to simplify this fraction. So how to do that? Look, you need to divide numerator and denominator by the same number. That same number is called factor. The common factor of 10 and 375 is 5, because this is divisible by 5 and this is also divisible by 5. If you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2, and if you divide this 375 by 5, what you will get? Look, last digit is 5, so this is divisible by 5. 5 goes into 37 how many times? 7 times. 7 times 5, 35. Subtract, you are getting to bring down the next digit. 5 goes into 25 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 5, 25. Subtract 0. Okay, so our quotient is 75. Again, this 10 is divisible by 5. This 75 is also divisible by 5. If you divide this 75 by 5, you will get 1. 1 times 5, 5. Subtract 2, bring down the next digit. 5 goes into 25, 5. 5 times 5, 25. That is, if you divide this 75 by 5, you will get 15. And if you divide this 10 by 5, you will get 2. Again, this 10 is divisible by 5, this 15 is divisible by 5. If you divide this 15 by 5, you'll get 3. If you divide this 10 by 5, you'll get 2. So now we are getting in the numerator 3, and in the denominator we have 2 times 2 times 2. So basically we are getting 3 times 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. So look, there is no common factor between 3 and 8 that can divide these two number more. So this is the lowest term. Look here, 1 times 3, 3. So 1 and 3 is the factor of 3. Then 1 times 8 equal to 3. So 1 and 8 is the factor of 3. Again, 2 times 4. So 2 and 4 is the factor of 8. Then 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so this 2 is the factor of 8. Look, there is no common factor between 3 and 8 without 1. So we can say that this is the lowest term.